What if your first dollar online is much closer than you think? Most people believe making money online requires years of experience, a huge audience, or advanced technical skills. But that's not true. Thousands of beginners start earning online every year. Today, we're breaking down exactly how to earn money online even if you're a beginner and the realistic opportunities that can help you get started. Let's dive in. The biggest obstacle isn't lack of opportunity, it's confusion. People see affiliate marketing, freelancing, content creation, e-commerce, digital products, and they don't know where to begin, so they keep researching, keep watching videos, and never take action. The truth is simple. You don't need the perfect strategy. You need a starting point. That's the first lesson in earn money online even if you're a beginner. Action beats endless planning. One of the fastest ways beginners can earn online is freelancing. You don't need to be an expert. You just need a skill someone finds useful. Examples include writing, data entry, research, video editing, graphic design, social media assistance. Businesses constantly need help, and many are willing to pay for it. The goal isn't landing huge clients immediately. It's gaining experience and earning your first dollar online. Content creation has become one of the most accessible online opportunities. You can create videos, write articles, start a niche page, or build a community around a topic you enjoy. At first, the focus shouldn't be money. It should be value. Helpful content attracts attention. Attention creates opportunities, and opportunities can eventually lead to income streams. This is one way many people learn to earn money online even if you're a beginner. Affiliate marketing is simple to understand. You recommend products. A company provides a special tracking link. If someone makes a qualifying purchase through that link, you may earn a commission. The key is trust. People don't buy because you post links. They buy because your recommendation helps them solve a problem. That's why useful content and affiliate marketing often work well together. Another beginner-friendly opportunity is digital products. These can include templates, checklists, guides, spreadsheets, planners, educational resources. Digital products are attractive because they can be sold repeatedly. You create them once, and they may continue generating sales later. This makes them a popular option for people trying to earn money online even if you're a beginner. If you're enjoying this video, hit the like button and subscribe. We post weekly videos covering online business, personal finance, side hustles, investing, and practical strategies to help you build additional income streams. Now let's talk about the mindset that separates successful beginners from everyone else. One mistake many beginners make is searching for shortcuts. Easy money, instant success, zero effort opportunities. Unfortunately, that's usually where disappointment begins. The people who succeed online typically focus on learning skills, providing value, building trust, and improving consistently. Success online often looks boring at first, because it's built through repetition, not magic. Here's something encouraging. Your first dollar online is often the hardest to earn. Why? Because you're learning everything. New skills, new platforms, new systems. But once you prove it's possible, confidence grows. Skills improve. Opportunities increase, and momentum starts building. This is one of the biggest insights behind earn money online even if you're a beginner. The beginning is usually the hardest part, not because it's impossible, because it's unfamiliar. So let's recap how to earn money online even if you're a beginner. Start with simple skills. Create valuable content. Explore affiliate marketing. Consider digital products, avoid shortcuts, and focus on learning. The internet has created more opportunities than ever before, but opportunities only matter if you take action. And in the next video, we'll reveal the exact roadmap many successful online entrepreneurs followed to earn their first $1,000 online, and why most beginners skip the most important step. You won't want to miss it.